Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. What we're going to look at in this video is an object that appears to be moving through interstellar space, at least through the solar system. Comes from the left side of the screen, goes across to the right side of the screen. What we're looking at is the sun behind what's called an opaque disk. This is the SOHO LASCO C3 instrument. Here's the current position of the planets in the solar system with respect to the sun and planet Earth. Right here's the Earth, and the SOHO instrument orbits the sun with the Earth. It orbits actually in front of the Earth looking at the sun. That's what we were just looking at. The bright object right there is Mercury. That's in the field of view right now of the SOHO LASCO C3 instrument. As it gets a little closer to the sun, it will go into the field of view of the LASCO C2 instrument, which is a closer field of view. What we're going to look at in this video is an object that comes from over here. The left-hand side of the solar system swings down behind the sun and goes back this way, like below Mercury. At least it appears to do that. It's a long ways away. It's not anything that's like the International Space Station or a spacecraft that I'm aware of, because it's too far away. The space station orbits around the Earth, not out here in the middle of the solar system. This object that you're about to see comes across the solar system, travels about 20 million miles in just under 48 hours, moving at well over 100,000 miles per hour. When you first look at this thing, you're going to think, oh, it's just an asteroid, maybe a large Perseid meteor. Not the case. We're going to look at the video I put together right now. Again, this, in my humble opinion, is quite unprecedented, calling this an interstellar spacecraft because there's no other way to describe this thing. Check this out. These are images from August 7th, 8th, and 9th. You're going to see a craft. At first, it looks like maybe an asteroid, right? Definitely not a comet because it's not leaving a debris field behind it. Everything that comes through here that's got the personality of a comet is going to have some kind of a tail. The object that we're going to watch is right up here, moving this direction. Check this out. Quite fascinating. I've never seen any footage like you're about to see on here ever, and I've been observing this for many years. There goes the object right there. Trust me, I'm going to take you in very, very close to where you can see that that was not a typical space rock. It wasn't a comet. Wasn't a Perseid meteor. That was something entirely different. Looks like it was intelligently designed. See it right there? That's moving, and that's original speed. That's way too fast to be any type of spacecraft that I'm aware of. Again, the space station orbits the Earth. The Earth is back here behind this instrument that we're looking through right now. Here comes the object again, right there. This is fast forward. That's 2 days and about 10 seconds. And you can see it disappear over there below Mercury. Now we're going in closer. This is the LASCO C2 instrument. You're going to see it up here at the top at around the 2 o'clock position. See it? Between 1 and 2 o'clock, this is the sun. Watch it right up here. That was original speed. We're going to go in closer. Here we go. Check this out. See that? Wasn't a rock, was it? Those were two lights that looked like they were on some sort of a craft. Check it out. We're going to go in closer. I'm going to go in slow motion. We're going to enhance the footage, not alter, just slightly enhance so we can get a better look. Check this out. Definitely not an asteroid. Definitely not a meteor, and definitely not a comet. There it goes in original speed. Two bright lights attached to a structure. We're going to go in closer, and I'm going to enhance it to where you can actually see the lights themselves. Here it is in slow motion. This is definitely some sort of a craft. See it right there? Those are lights. That's not a rock. If that were an asteroid or even a comet, it would be tumbling. I've seen too many of them on here over the years. They tumble. They're out of control, even though they're moving quite quickly in a straight, sometimes a curved line. This here is moving in a straight line, very, very smooth. There's no tumbling. There's two independent lights that are apparently moving in unison, attached to something similar. Looks like they're attached to the same object. There it is in slow motion, very close. The front light looks to be a little different color than the back light, slightly different in color. Here it is enhanced. It's almost a dark, or almost a negative format, basically. We're going to go in really close. There's the original speed. Now we're going to slow it down, go in close. And this is definitely a machine with lights. There it is. There's the first light. There's the second light. That's the craft. Overall, collectively, I think that's one craft moving through the inner solar system at astounding speeds, well over 100,000 miles per hour, which for space travel, that's not really that fast. But it's pretty quick. But something went through the inner solar system. Here's another look at it. This is, again, enhanced, not altered. And you can see what I mean by the different colors in between the front light and the back light. See how the back light's more of a gold color, and the front light's very bright white. And there it goes, moving through the inner solar system. Probably some of the most incredible footage I think I've ever seen on this instrument. And I've seen a lot of footage over the years. Different things come through the inner solar system, comets, even large meteors. I've never seen anything quite like that. That is quite unique. And again, in my humble opinion, that was some sort of a large spacecraft, many miles long. That thing had to have been probably, to even be able to see it like we did, from this far away, that's several million miles away. That was probably several miles long, and I wouldn't even be able to begin to guess how long that thing was. Several miles, let's just put it that way. There's Mercury, and again, this is the SOHO LASCO C3 instrument. Quick look at a powerful storm system that went through multiple states yesterday in the Midwest, causing multiple power outages once again in 10 different states. At one time, there were 11 states, over 1 million customers without electricity. Once again, just getting hooked back up after Tropical Storm Isaias, and then this occurs, and this was just a afternoon thunderstorm that turned into what looked like a giant bowling ball rolling through the Mississippi River Valley. Unbelievable. Once again, more than 1 million customers without electricity due to weather. If you guys are new viewers, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on this bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you're current subscribers, simply double check. Make sure you're still subscribed and make sure that bell is still activated. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.